In this video, I'm going to show you how to view macro trends over time in MacroFactor. So if you don't have the application downloaded, make sure to go and download it. Of course, if you want, you can also just go and log in into your account if you have an account already, and if you don't have an account, go and create an account. The application is paid, and they offer a 7 days free trial for $1 if you want to. So you'll be able to use it because it's paid. So how to view the macro trend over time? You can utilize several features within the app dashboard to analyze your nutrition intake and progress. So if we are here in the dashboard, as you can see, you'll find here your weekly nutrition. You'll be able to go to any day and you'll be able to see how much you consumed of calories, protein, fats, and carbs. And you'll be able to see also the remaining on that specific day. So what you still needed to eat at that day, but you didn't eat it. So as an example, today I already here logged 2 foods as an example, or 2 meals, and as you can see, let's say I ate here 400 calories, 0 protein, 10 gram of carbs and or fats, and 2 grams of carbs. So for you, you can hear from the dashboard always like scroll down here and you'll find your nutritions and you'll be able to see like specifically like did you get into the goal of calories, protein, carbs, fats, or you can see it like everything through the whole week here. That's how you basically view the macro trends, as you can see. So you can click on see all as an example if you want to see it all. So here you'll be able to see the calories and macros, here carbs breakdown, fats breakdown, protein breakdown, vitamins as an example, minerals, so everything. Of course, this will be checked depending on the food that you ate or log in here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.